Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to edit a birthday video in CapCut. So for that, of course, make sure to go into your Microsoft Store and download the app. As you can see, I already am. Alright, now open it up. Alright guys, and in here, as you can see, we are prompted to create our project. So let us do that. Also, let's import the media if you wish. And then as you can see, we can drag the materials onto the timeline. So this is pretty much how we start editing. Also, as you can see, the app is showing us that we have an effect. And after, as you can see, you drag your media files onto the timeline. We also can use effects. And also we can play and preview what we are editing and then export. So let us begin, guys. So firstly, I will import my media. So for example, you can just press on import. And I have this free video from Pexels. I think it was from, as you can see. And now let's delete both of these. We don't need these. And now drag your birthday video onto the timeline as so. All right, like this. So for example, on this first track. And now, guys, it pretty much now depends what you want to do with this video, right? So if you want to, for example, create some kind of effect or something, that's pretty easy to do. So you just go to effects, for example, right? And you can create for example, transitions and etc. etc. So for example, let us try and add something onto our video. So let's say we want to add fireworks rain, right? So you just press on it and drag on top. And as you can see now, our effect is added. If you don't want it, Control Z and it's, deleted now. Also, if you want to create transitions, you go here, they load up. And as you can see, we have different transitions. So how do you do this? So if you want to split the video, you choose this split, then you press on a certain part of the video like this. And as you can see now, our video is split. And now you choose, for example, swipe left and place it right in between, as you can see, where your pretty much frame will be changing, right? So for example, it looks like this, looks pretty cool. So this is the transition. And also we have captions, for example, if you want to add some kind of subtitles to the video. We have filters if you wish to make your video maybe more atmospheric or something. Let's, for example, take HD dark and apply it onto the both of our pieces of the video. As you can see, already looks kind of cool, very clean. Yeah, so pretty much, guys, let your imagination go. We have stickies. You can add it audio too, add some music and all of that stuff. And after you're finished, you can just press on export. Choose the video quality that you want. So for example, if you want to save it as Full HD, choose this. Bitrate, you can choose custom or recommended. I'll choose higher. Codec, I recommend HEVC or AV1. AV1 has a really good quality. And then choose the format. MP4 is fine. Okay, and then choose where to export to. I'll just choose my desktop. All right, chosen the desktop and press on export. Okay, as you can see now, the video is rendered and it is now ready. So let me play it back. All right, so here's the video that I've edited. Also my transition, as you can see, also works and the filter works, looks pretty clean. I like it. And that's pretty much how you edit. So in general, guys, enjoy. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.